How to use a Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use a Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can actually redeem your Gamestop gift card from the browser, but you can also use it from the app. So open up the Gamestop application, and once you have done that, just make sure that you're signed into your Gamestop account here. Once you're signed in, just make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. And once you add them to your cart, tap the cart icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and then you're going to see this type of interface. Now from here, let's say you go to the checkout process. So go to the checkout page here. When you are on the checkout page, you'll find an option to enter your payment details, but if you look, you'll also find an option that says add gift card or promo code. Now if you're not seeing this option, it most likely means that the product that you're buying doesn't allow a gift card, right? So some of the products will not allow you to enter a gift card, but if it does allow, then you'll find add a gift card or promo code. Tap on it, make sure to enter your gift card or trading number, enter the pin, tap on apply, and depending upon the value of that gift card, it will get successfully used to purchase this product that you can find here. This way you can redeem Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.